Students, here we have a question that a state highway leads to a foot of a tower. AB is the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower, man standing at point A at the top of a tower, observes a car at an angle or depression of 30 degree. So for angular depression, this is the angular depression of 30 degree. The point D is a point where he saw the car which is approaching the foot of the tower with the uniform speed, moving with the uniform speed towards foot of tower towards point B. 6 seconds later, the angular depression of the car found to be 60 degree. At point C, the angular depression means it reaches at point C after 6 seconds. So angular depression here is 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of tower from this point. So from point C to B we need to find the time taken. So what we will do here, because the speed of the person is uniform, so we will suppose here the speed of the car is x meter per seconds, and time taken, because time taken to reach from D to C is 6 seconds. So distance DC will be equals to speed into time, which equals to 6x meters. And we'll suppose that time taken from C to B is t seconds. So distance CB equals to speed into time, which equals to tx meters. Now we will use the trigonometric ratios in triangle ABC and triangle ABD. First of all, we will take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, if you see here, height perpendicular, which is the height of this tower, and base is the distance of base, BC is tx. So AB over BC, perpendicular over base, which equals to tan 60 degree. AB is height of the tower, which equals to h, BC equals to tx, and tan 30 is root 3. So we find the value of h here, h equals to under root 3 tx meters. Now for second triangle ABD, perpendicular is same, which is the height of the tower, and base, now base becomes sum of BC and DC, 6x plus tx. So here in second triangle ABD, AB over BD equals to tan 30, AB is h and BD is 6x plus t equals to 1 by root 3. Now we will take x common from here, to h over 6 plus t, x equals to 1 by root 3. Now we will put the value of h which equals to root 3 tx from equation 1 in here as. So we will get here root 3 tx over t plus 6 plus t x. X cancel each other, and then we cross multiply. This root 3 will be multiplied this root 3 into t. So root 3 into root 3 equals to t plus t. So this root 3 because this is a square of root 3, so it become 3. So 3t equals to 6 plus t. Now this t will come to left side. So this is because in left side this was adding here, so in right left side will subtract. So 3t minus t equals to 6, 2t equals to 6, or t equals to 3. So this is the time taken by the car to reach from C to B. So time taken from C to B is 3 seconds.